ang PDP Laban, despite its being the majority party for 6 years during the time of PRRD, wala po kayong narinig na issue na ang political party ng PDP Laban ay nanghingi o kumuha o nagpayaman para magkaroon ng pondo yung partido. Even in the midterm election of 2019, kalakasan ni PRRD noon, wala kayong marinig ng PDP Laban Party ay nagsolicit ng pondo sa mga negosyante para may panusto sa mga kandidato ng PDP Laban. Also in 2022. Kaya we know for a fact na talagang kami sa PDP, we are going to campaign hard and we are not expecting that we are going to have that money to pay for our political advertisements in television or radio.